I am going to give you 5 incredible work from home call center companies that are always hiring. These 5 mind blowing opportunities are great if you want to be a customer service rep or if you want to be your own boss as an independent contractor. Let's begin.
Making money online is easy.
We'll start with Working Solution. Now, with this platform, they provide excellent customer service to businesses. So that is what they will be providing as a regards to job opportunities for you. Now, all you have to do is to click on the link because I will be leaving the link in the description just to make it easier for you. This is talking about the application and assessment process. And as you can see, to create your profile, it's only going to take 5 minutes. Add your experience, whatever experience you have. One thing that I like with customer service jobs, especially for the remote customer service jobs, is that it does not require a ton of experience. You don't necessarily have to have a ton of experience to get started in the customer service industry, and that is what I like compared to other type of jobs. Now it says add your experience, take the assessments, only 30 minutes to do so. Then, of course, you will need certain specification for your PC to see if it is compatible with their system that they're going to give you, and then you can choose an opportunity. Now, when you come on here, you just scroll down to see all the opportunities that they have for you. So what I'm going to do is to go over to the next one. Right, so the next opportunity I have for you is called Arise. And this is a wonderful place to start if you want to be a contractor. So this is not your typical 9 to 5 because you can schedule your time around your lifestyle. You just come in, you plug in your time, you do your time, and then you can jump out. So one thing I like about this as well, it has a business model where you can actually hire persons. So the model that it has is that you can become your own business by operating a micro call center. And I really like this about Arise. And as a matter of fact, almost all of the platforms that I am going to mention in this video has this same type of model. Okay, so what does Arise offer? They offer customer service based jobs. They offer sales jobs, which I really like sales because then you can get a commission that goes along with, the basic pay that you will be getting. They have virtual assistant roles. They have roadside assistant roles. You name it, they have it. I'm also going to leave the link as well to this page in the description just to make it easier for you. So let me scroll down so you can see some of the opportunities that they have here. I see, as you can see, it said it's giving you the description: provide telephone sales and customer service support for an insurance company. This is new. This one is remote in Canada. So if you are living in Canada and would like to get on to this opportunity, then that will be good for you. Then they have bilingual English and French remote customer service for roadside assistance company, also in Canada. If you scroll down some more, they have opportunities for persons in Montego Bay, Jamaica, Ocho Rios, and they even have one here. It does not specify where, it just says virtual. It could be anywhere. So go over to the Arise platform and check out what they have. You might find something that you really like and you can start making that money from, today. So go over to the Arise platform and check out what they have. You might find something that you are really good at, that you are really interested in, and voila, just by doing so, you can start making some money, some extra money on the side. So the next one on the list, guys, is called Assyrian. And they actually provide services for, your damaged phone, your damaged device. So if you've ever called in into one of your communication company to get a phone replacement, then chances are you would have been redirected to Assyrian. Now, Assyrian is a company, as I said, they specialize in providing device protection such as smartphones, tablets, laptops, and other gadgets. They also provide technical support solutions, and their services include, but not limited to, troubleshooting, device replacement, and support for issues like accidental loss, damage, or theft. They collaborate with manufacturers, retailers, telecommunication companies to protect and support consumers. On the home screen here, right off the bat, they have customer care and sales representative. This is a bilingual role. If you want to know more about this, you just click on it and it can give you the job description. Now, guys, I am giving you all of these opportunities. I really want you to go ahead and take full, control of how you make money in 2024. But I want you to go ahead and, apply for one of these roles. Don't just, get the information, guys. Actually apply them to your life. All right, so right now we have live ops, and they're always hiring persons for sales, customer service, for communication, for telemarketing, debt collection. They're always hiring for those roles. And also, you can come on to live ops if you want to be an independent contractor agent. Okay, so it says that companies across multiple industries trust live ops to provide their virtual contact center services. Success with live ops is about choosing an opportunity that matches your skills, experience, and availability. Now, as I said before, because it's not a typical 9 to 5 where you have to clock in at, say, 8 and you have to clock out at 5 p.m., right? It's not that. You can actually do maybe a 3 hours today or 5 hours today, whatever it is. You can schedule according to the time that you have, and you can view this as a way of making, a little side income that you can use to pay a bill. Okay, so this is really good for persons who do not want to commit to your typical 9 to 5, but you still want to be able to work and make some money. As I said, they always have opportunities available. And I'm also going to leave the link to this one in the description as well. All you have to do is to read the job description and then click on apply now if that is the one that interests you the most. Now, moving on to the next one. All right, guys. So the final one that I have for you today is an awesome one. It's called Gig CX or Gig Customer, right? It's called Gig Customer Marketplace. This is where you're going to go to find the job. Now, what they offer for businesses is customer service, virtual assistant, sales, telecommunication roles. Now, if you want to come onto this site to find a gig, as they put it, so the roles that I've mentioned is going to be one of the roles that you will be applying to. Now, all you have to do is to click on where it says find gigs. When you click on find gigs, you'll see once you scroll down, it says gig customer marketplace helps you find opportunities that suit your schedule. Once you scroll down some more, testimonials from persons that actually use this platform to get jobs. And right here, it says either you can choose this button here, I'm a service user hiring for a project, or you can choose I'm a service provider looking for work. So click on this. and click on Find Gigs Today, it's going to take you to the page where you're going to see opportunities. Now, you first have to log in with your email. You first have to sign up with your email and then continue the process. Now, guys, that is the end of my video. I want you to like and to subscribe to my channel for more valuable information like this, more companies that want to hire you, more opportunities, more work from home, money making strategies, guys. 2024, it is your year to make that money.